Who was that?
May linta sa bayag ang pota.
Felt a tension like this before. That's so different from simply changing. All back.
Ito sa Google definition niya. So, commodity is a hindi na to, no? Kasi hindi naman siya raw materials or what, no? Or at least sa agricultural. Hindi yan yung definition.
Not a moment sooner.
Fine. Captain's a friend of mine, you know? Where is Erend? Wouldn't mind speaking to
That's tasty.
Dito on a bad agenda yung emulation nila. Although I do believe na wala silang intention, no, on doing that. Pero yun kasing ginagawa ng
Very smart. You were asking to have your gun jam on you. Besides, I don't think you're cut out for an automatic in the first place. You tend to twist your elbow to absorb the recoil.
Tapos siya yata yung kapatid nung isa dun sa mga previous protag.
Pero during 2017, no, until 2019 ata ng Easy Allies, ayun yung parang pinaka-pick nila for me.
Yun yung maganda, yung sa twins. Yung Crimson Butterfly nga. Saka medyo mahaba yun.
Can it set over a land at peace? Today is such...
Hear me, marshals! You
garbage ka. Kanina ka pa sabit ng sabit dyan. Ang ina yung mga multo kayo. Mana ako.
Go home. Gru and my sons are waiting up ahead. You don't have a prayer or finish.
So, I will be in Jensen and then December 7, Cebu naman. Diba? Kaya wala din ako dun sa event ng Yakuza or ng
Walang dal dito.
There. Corey's safe.
Stranger, come on over here.
Isolde din yun pag ganun. Kasi sinasabi nila, unhinged daw yung mga reviews nila or at hindi naman reviews but yung parang take nila. Kasi parang yung community yung
Go home.
Oh, nako, yun lang. Yun lang. Akala ko ba Dragon Age? Sabi nila Dragon Age daw eh. Diba? Saan nakakita? No? Saan nakakita?
If I were invisible, I wouldn't have to bother hiding or wearing camouflage.
Maybe someday you'll be able to turn invisible.
Yeah, that'll be the day.
Oh, bukas na to. Wala pa din. Ang guys wala akong kape ko. Sa minigame medyo mahirap lalo na yung challenges si Chadley. Yan, bago ko na platinum yan. Kung yes. Bye bitches. Hindi lang gameplay, story wise okay din yung modes.
aircraft doing on our radar screen? It was clearly in violation of our airspace. And yet you say it was not acting under your orders.
That's correct.
Maburat kayo ha. Ayun na to mga to. Multo na nga kayo. Namamalo pa kayo. Yung tatay niya parang ano.
Ito sa Google definition niya. So, commodity is a hindi na to, no? Kasi hindi naman siya raw materials or what, no? Or at least sa agricultural. Hindi yan yung definition.
Yes. Kaya na pa akong sa tao. Ako nga rin, kinikilabutan ako eh.
Utility rin yung claim ng Nintendo. Pero yun nga lang, siyempre, para sa game preservation, negative siya. No? And then, pangatlo.
That means the embassy's starting soon.
Matic daw pag Pokemon Legends 2. I think that's the A and Z, tama ba? Yung parang sequel ng Arceus. Yun nga, hindi mo siya talaga technically on. Para may notice na lang sila nilagay. No, hindi ko alam kung ano yung notice na yon, pero parang it's something na part siya ng ang tawag dito na
walang andal dito. Good afternoon sa'yo, Sir Jake R. Blasco. Yan. Patuloy natin yung playthrough natin na meron palang naman sa gilid ko, puta.
Being a hikikomori is antisocial ka, di ba? Pero syempre, kapag, working citizen ka, kailangan mo mag-interact sa mga office-mate mo, no?
South, after more bristlebacks?
Probably. This whole valley is swarming with them. The Vanguard seemed dead set on getting rid of them.
I see.
Hold on there, Red.
Booking ko to mga to. Kasama si Ocelot.
Damn it, Ocelot. I'll get past them on my...
Dito, tangin mo. Nausap ko na pag-araang daraya. Uy!
Very unfair. 'Di ba? Gusto mo lang naman masubukan eh. Gusto mo lang ma-try eh. 'Di ba? Magkaroon na parang nostalgia trip dun sa game na 'yon na parang very verify na ikaw may access ka nga dito kasi binili mo siya. So, ipo-provide namin or allow namin yung download. 'Di ba? Yung server yung gumagawa nun. 'Di ba? So,
Even if it meant killing me in the process, or so it would seem.
isang area, dito try mong ubusin siya and then you proceed. Dito hindi, meron siyang level of tacticality. 'Di ba? Merong tacticality kahit pa paano. Ayun.
Ay, dito yung daan.
Are you crazy? Yeah, should still be some up top, but you'll need these fuses. Are you crazy? You can't move, and I'm not leaving you here. It's not...
ng mga transaction. So ngayon, ano yung parang pinaka magic dito, no? Kung bakit parang very reliable yung blockchain, no? Wala na yung ano kanina. Si Claudine, damit niya. Parang ano to? About this. Kasi ma-open up yung topic like shared capitalism. So it's something din siya na, you know, ibang topic din, no?
Hey, Milda. Milda. I took some of your stew last time I went into the wilds. Kept me going for a week. Felt like I could have put a strider in a sleeper hold.
Ah! You fool! Ah!
I'll call you later.
Okay, I'll keep them busy. Huh?
Uy, may kiss pa.
Don't go dying on me now.
Yung iba dyan scalper, yung iba dyan legit na collector. No? Which is actually very appropriate din dito sa ating topic at hand. No? Ganun talaga daw, Cloud, kahit daw sa work. Oh, sabi regardless kung ano man yan, no? Basta nilagay ko lang PS kasi, I mean, yun yung parang masyadong malapit para sa atin, no? So, platform. So, tayo, yung interaction
Marshals have yet to sound.
All right, fine. Let me through the gates then.
I'm sure you do. Normally, the gates are open for any who dare to venture Asaram salvagers.
At lang, ayun, share ko lang yung stream natin.
Pero the thing is, futuristic yung setting ng Shadowfall. Kasi yung Earth dito, parang Neo Earth na siya eh. Hindi na siya yung parang Earth na we used to be, no? Tapos,
Take care of him. Jack, you can't come with us.
Devad said the bristlebacks were first spotted west of the quarry. I should see if there's anything in the back of the valley.
Parang solution for this is that ang isa kasi sa mga technology ng blockchain is yung tinatawag nating digital ownership.
Kasi Petrang kabayo.
Dahil kailangan mong gawin. Parang ganun. No? Parang nandun tayo sa yung issue din about DI. No? Na parang pinupush nila yung agenda dun sa... So, yung server mo, ayun yung central bank. O ayun yung bank. Depende kung saan yung source ng pera. So, kapag binigay sa'yo yung wala nga daw ngayong maluwag isang buwan na naglalaro nga lang ako. Wala nga ngayon. Okay, yeah. Yun, no. So, especially kapag ganyan din, no, pag malapit na yung
Kunyari sa taas.
In America. Please, take me to America, quickly. They cannot complete it without my help. Got it.
Appreciate. So parang sa'yo, nandun yung, especially kung meron kang voice to speak out, nasa iyo yung bola, to, what do you call this, para ilathala.
Start community. Make mistakes. The analyst must be firm. Even if they give you some pause. Wawa naman yung mga kids.
Na din. So, ganyan nag-work ang monetary policy. No, parang yung value, no, which is yung data, or sa at least sa monetary policy, yun yung currency, no?